ABS-CBN.
Good morning, sir. Doris Bigornia po from ABS-CBN. Isa lang question ako. Ano? Ano daw? Okay na po dito. Okay na po dito.
And then,
Sir,
about overseas, no, before I forget, rather, magtatayo ako ng bangko, overseas bank lang para sa inyong workers. Indio talaga. Kami ang magbigay ng kapital, pero para diretso na. Pati inyo ang bangko. Para madali. Yes, you are from,
ABS-CBN po, si Doris Bigornia po.
akala ko sa Lebanon. Maraming maganda sa Lebanon. Doris Bigornia.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, tatanungin ko lang po sa nangyayari po ngayon sa Holo, nalagasan po kayo ng 15. Meron po ba kayong point na naiisip niyo na mag-declare ng state of emergency doon?
No. No, it's just a punitive police action by the security forces of the government. The magnitude of the trouble there does not warrant anything except the industry of the AFP and PNP. Pagod lang yan. And we do not, at some point in time, I have to ask everybody there, including Noor Miswari. We talked last night doon ako sa opisina, and I suggested to Noor Miswari about his problem that there is a pending warrant for his arrest. And I told him, Noor, I have no intention of detaining you or placing you in the custody of the government. You can simply walk out there, ask any soldier and police to escort you kung saan ako, mag-usap tayo. But he wants Kuala Lumpur in front of the OIC and some of the, well, mga tao niya sa Bangsa Hulo, Bangsa Tausog. Bangsa Moro yung sa Bangsa Tausog to sila. Yung mga Tausog doon, sabi ko na, dalian mo, Nor, kasi we're wasting lives here. Tsaka sabi ko, kung matuloy yung federal, then each region can have its own economic policy. For as long as it is not really, sabi ko, ibalik na lang natin yung barter trade. Nung panahon na yung walang rebelde and everybody was busy making a living. So sabi ko, ibalik na lang natin yung lahat ng anong gusto ninyo. In a way, it's federal. It's up to you to earn or not earn for your region. But kung ganon, historically, yung barter trade was there before any government was set up here in Mindanao. And therefore, logic would say that kung ibalik mo yung historical livelihood nila, barter trade, it might help promote peace in the island of Mindanao.
Okay, sir.
Sir, good morning po.
Yes.
Joseph Morong, sir, sa GMA7. Just a follow-up on Chairman Noor. Sir, amenable po ba kayo na makipagkita kay Chairman Noor sa Kuala Lumpur as he proposed?
Chairman Miswari?
Apo.
Yes. I said I can go to him, I can go to Hulo if he wants. Or if he wants somewhere else, they can bring him back to Davao City or in Manila. He can be my guest in Malacanang, in the People's Palace. And we can talk there for a while. Dalawa mo yung kwarto sa bahay na, ang tawag niya ngayon? Pagbabago. Wala man yan, di pintura. Wala, nagbago dyan, natulog lang. There are 2 rooms there. You can have the other room is available for me. Wala akong problema. At this time, I cannot be too stringent in the matters that would affect whether or not we succeed. Kasi the most important thing really is that there is a dialogue going on. Kasi it has saved us a lot of money now that a bit quiet in Mindanao. So, habulin natin yan para yung pera pang away, bigyan natin sa mga tao para hanap buhay.
Sir, clarification lang. Because there is a prevailing warrant of arrest, nasa kapangyarihan po ba natin to ask it to be lifted?
Sa ako?
Apo. Or are you asking it to be
Ako man
lifted?
ang hepe ng polis pati military. Sabihin ko lang ulit yung galawin.
So, sir, technically, we're lifting the warrant of arrest?
Well, there's a warrant for his arrest. All I have to do is do not implement it against him.
Okay.
Because if you arrest Miswari and you place him under the custody of the police dyan sa krami and he dies, for whatever reason, conformation na tayo. Then there's gonna be conflagration of mahirapan na tayo He's the only known leader who has the influence and the stature. Nobody else stands there. Well, dito sa kabila, there's Murad and there's Jafar and there's the Central Committee of the Bangsamoro,
Sir, thank you very much.
MNLF.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Laila Salaveria po from Philippine Daily Inquirer. Sir, according to the White House, President Obama expects to meet with you in Laos. What topics do you wish to discuss with him? And are
I
you
don't know. He could wish any topic at all.
Are
And
you-
I'm ready to talk to him.
Sir, just to clarify, are you willing to meet with him in Laos?
To talk to him?
Apo.
Of course.
Sir, the U.S. wants to bring up the human rights issues with you. Are you willing to discuss that, and what do you intend to
Depends
do?
to what degree. You must, because they must understand the problem first before we talk about human rights. I would insist, listen to me. This is what the problem is. Then we can talk about human rights. No problem.
Well, okay. Are there any other topics you might wish to bring up with the U.S. President?
Well, at this time, I'm talking with China, and China wants to talk to me,
Apo.
bilateral. If it's good, and if it's to the advice of my team, the military, the police, and these guys sa likod ko, they would say, larga tayo. It's always a cabinet decision. It's a cabinet decision.
Okay na. Thank you, sir.
Maraming salamat po. May we request Mr. President to have a photo opportunity with the Secretary for Foreign Affairs, the Secretary for Labor.